I showed you guys that I recently just got this palette at Marshall's for an insane price. I did do a Marshall's haul if you want to see that. This is from BH Cosmetics and it's the Royal Affairs palette, and it's the most beautifulest thing ever. I'm gonna show you swatches. This is the eye look that I created with this palette. I'll put the regular price for this, but I got this for $7.99 and you get 20 shades here. Before we get started, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. Alright, so first of all, let's take a look at this beautiful palette. These beautiful colors. I mean, there was so many goodies at Marshall's and for a ridiculous price, but this one just caught my attention. Like, I needed it in my life. A mixture of mattes and shimmers, which is my favorite kind of palettes, but I also have like all mattes and all shimmers, but this would be my favorite, a combination of both. Delivers vivid color payoff and superior blendability to create stunning eye looks fit for royalty. Ooh, I like that. Just want to give you my review, and I'll put the swatches too. Colors are so pretty. This one, out of this world. It's the one I put in this area. I love the names too. So you have Reign, Majesty, Lord, Lady, Regal, Crown, Duchess, Imperial, Monarch, Enchanted. That's the first two rows. Gorgeous, gorgeous to die for. The mattes are really nice too. Usually the mattes are like really hard. I won't say they weren't chalky. There is like fallout. The swatches I did dip in more than once just so you can see them properly, but the eye look is just so you can see how they perform. Then the second row you have Thorn, Palace, High Tea, Empress, Aristocrat, Rose, Prince, Honor, Emperor, and Princess. They're all so gorgeous. There's so many different looks. Get here like these little gems. The color selection is stunning, and they really are buttery. Some are chalky, but like I said, once you blend it out, there's no problem. Definitely worth the price. Most important thing for me is in a palette that I can do a whole look. Like, it's really important for me to have like an all over the lid shade, transition shades, have this beautiful dark colors that you can do a smoky eye. Beautiful for spring, beautiful to do colorful looks. I mean, it's just perfection. I really think this palette is like a must. I would even pay like the full price for this because it's that good to me. So I will leave the demo right here. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoy, subscribe if you're not, and click the little notification bell. That way you will be the first to get notified every time I post a new video.